The world of aviation is abuzz with talk of hypersonic flight. These aircraft, capable of speeds exceeding Mach 5, represent the next giant leap in aerospace technology. At the forefront of this revolution is the SR-72 Darkstar, a rumored successor to the legendary SR-71 Blackbird. Shrouded in secrecy, the SR-72 has been the subject of intense speculation and intrigue for years. Adding fuel to the fire was the Hollywood blockbuster, Top Gun: Maverick. The film featured a fictional hypersonic aircraft dubbed Darkstar, bearing a striking resemblance to the rumored SR-72. This cinematic portrayal, developed with input from Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works, was so realistic that it reportedly prompted the Chinese government to redirect a satellite to capture images of the prop. The incident highlights the blurring lines between Hollywood magic and real-world military advancements. It also underscores the global fascination with hypersonic technology and the geopolitical stakes involved. While the SR-72's existence remains officially unconfirmed, the hype surrounding it is very real. The SR-72 Darkstar program traces its roots back to the iconic SR-71 Blackbird, a Cold War-era marvel that pushed the boundaries of speed and altitude. The SR-71 was not just an aircraft, it was a statement of technological dominance during a time when the world was divided by ideological lines. The Blackbird, with its distinctive sleek design and unmatched performance, became a symbol of American technological prowess. Its ability to fly at speeds exceeding Mach 3 and at altitudes of 85,000 feet made it virtually untouchable. It served as a strategic reconnaissance asset, capable of outrunning enemy interceptors and gathering vital intelligence. The SR-71's missions were often shrouded in secrecy, adding to its mystique and legendary status. As the Blackbird approached retirement in the late 20th century, the need for a successor became apparent. The world was changing, and so were the threats. The evolving global threat landscape demanded an even faster, more capable platform, one that could operate in contested airspace and provide real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Enter the SR-72 Darkstar, a new chapter in the legacy of speed and secrecy. Conceived as a hypersonic successor to the Blackbird, the SR-72 aims to achieve speeds of up to Mach 6, twice as fast as its predecessor. This leap in speed is not just about going faster, it's about redefining the boundaries of what is possible in aviation. This incredible speed would allow it to penetrate heavily defended airspace, rendering it virtually untouchable by conventional air defense systems. The SR-72's capabilities are designed to ensure that it can complete its missions with unparalleled efficiency and safety. The program, shrouded in secrecy, has been under development for nearly 2 decades, with Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works division leading the charge. This elite team of engineers and scientists is pushing the envelope of aerospace technology, ensuring that the SR-72 will be a worthy successor to the legendary Blackbird. The development of Top Gun: Maverick took an unexpected turn when a full-scale prop of the fictional Darkstar aircraft, built in collaboration with Lockheed Martin, was deemed so realistic that it attracted unwanted attention. The prop was meticulously designed to resemble a cutting-edge hypersonic aircraft, complete with intricate details that mirrored real-world aviation technology. This level of authenticity was achieved through the combined efforts of Hollywood's top prop makers and Lockheed Martin's experienced engineers. Reports emerged that the Chinese government, believing the prop to be a genuine prototype of the SR-72, redirected a satellite to capture high-resolution images of the aircraft. This incident highlighted the global stakes involved in aerospace advancements and the intense scrutiny from international observers. The satellite images, once analyzed, sparked a flurry of activity and speculation among intelligence agencies and defense analysts. While the veracity of these reports remains unconfirmed, the incident sparked widespread speculation and amusement. Social media platforms buzzed with discussions, memes, and debates about the authenticity of the prop and the plausibility of such a mix-up. Newsrooms around the world covered the story, adding to the intrigue and humor surrounding the situation. It highlighted the lengths to which intelligence agencies go to monitor technological advancements, as well as the potential for Hollywood realism to be misconstrued. The incident served as a reminder of the thin line between fiction and reality, especially in an era where visual effects and prop making have reached unprecedented levels of sophistication. The incident also served as a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of the film's production team, who inadvertently created a prop convincing enough to fool even the most discerning eye from space. The dedication and attention to detail by the prop makers were evident in every aspect of the Darkstar model, from its aerodynamic shape to its futuristic design elements. The Darkstar prop, while fictional, offered a tantalizing glimpse into the potential design and capabilities of the real SR-72. Its design was not just a product of imagination, but was rooted in actual aerospace engineering principles, making it a fascinating subject for both moviegoers and aviation experts. Its sleek, aerodynamic profile, combined with its purported hypersonic capabilities, captured the imagination of aviation enthusiasts and defense analysts alike. The Darkstar prop became more than just a movie prop. It became a symbol of what future aerospace technology might look like, sparking conversations and inspiring innovations in the field. The Top Gun, Maverick Darkstar incident underscores the increasingly intertwined relationship between entertainment, military technology, and international perceptions. This connection is not new, but has evolved significantly over the years, with Hollywood often serving as a mirror to the advancements and ambitions of military powers. Hollywood has long been fascinated by military hardware, often portraying advanced weapon systems and aircraft in blockbuster films. These portrayals are not just for entertainment, they serve to captivate audiences and spark imaginations about the future of warfare and defense. While these depictions are often fictionalized for dramatic effect, they can influence public perception and even international relations. The line between fiction and reality can blur, leading to heightened interest and sometimes concern about the capabilities of modern military technology. The portrayal of advanced technology like hypersonic aircraft in films like Top Gun, Maverick can create a sense of both awe and anxiety. These cinematic representations can make the technology seem more accessible and imminent than it might actually be. On the one hand, it showcases the cutting-edge capabilities of military powers, serving as a point of national pride. These films can inspire a sense of patriotism and confidence in a nation's technological advancements. On the other hand, it can fuel anxieties about arms races and the destabilizing potential of these technologies. The fear of falling behind in technological advancements can lead to increased tensions and competition among nations. The incident also highlights the use of film as a tool for military posturing. By showcasing advanced technology in a popular medium, nations can subtly communicate their capabilities and intentions to both allies and adversaries. While the Darkstar in Top Gun Maverick was a fictional creation, its realistic design and capabilities, likely influenced by Lockheed Martin's involvement, sent a message about American technological prowess. This collaboration between Hollywood and defense contractors adds a layer of authenticity that can be very impactful. This form of subtle messaging through entertainment can be a powerful tool in shaping international perceptions of military strength. It demonstrates how soft power can be wielded through popular culture, influencing global narratives and potentially altering the course of international relations. The development of hypersonic weapons and aircraft represents a paradigm shift in military technology. Their unprecedented speed and maneuverability pose significant challenges to existing air defense systems, potentially altering the balance of power. The ability to strike targets anywhere in the world with incredible speed and precision could have profound implications for global security. The pursuit of hypersonic technology has sparked a new arms race, with nations like the United States, Russia, and China investing heavily in research and development. These weapons have the potential to destabilize regions, escalate conflicts, and make conventional deterrence strategies more challenging. The international community faces the difficult task of establishing norms and regulations for the development and deployment of hypersonic weapons. This includes addressing concerns about arms control, verification, and the risk of accidental escalation. The future of warfare is inextricably linked to the responsible development and management of these game-changing technologies.